Thank you for checking in with me on this brief information video on how your credit is affected by bankruptcy. The good news about credit in bankruptcy is that everything that I'm about to tell you is guided by the law. By receiving a bankruptcy discharge, all the negatives that are on your credit report will be removed. So late payments, foreclosures, repossession, and the like will come clean after receiving the bankruptcy discharge. Depending on what your credit score was prior to starting, your score is going to reset generally between 650 and 680. Our goal, as part of the process of you retaining this office, is to get your score back to 720. At a 720, you'll be able to go into car dealerships and the like and get the preferred rate. It's going to take approximately 12 to 18 months to get your credit back, and we're going to be sending you a link to our 720 credit rebuild program, and if you faithfully complete the work contained in the video, you're going to be able to rebuild your credit. Now, one of the questions that I ask all the time is, when can I buy a house after bankruptcy? It's going to take you at least 24 months to qualify for a bank loan. These are the laws that are set forth by the FHA and the other lenders, and so it's going to take you 24 months from the date of your discharge before you qualify for a loan. As far as obtaining other credit cards go and car loans, you're going to be able to obtain those items in far shorter time frame, again by working with us on the process. So that's it for rebuilding your credit. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Thank you.